What's up guys, Jason here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use this Helium timer device. It's from CD company and it's CD-610. So once you get the box, you're going to open it up. Alright, just some pretty standard stuff, your instruction manual. And then I think there's a QC piece of paper inside. So once you open it up, you get this case that houses the device inside. So we're gonna open it up, and as you can see, you have the device itself here, and the charger, which is a Type C charger. So once you get your device, it's already charged up to 80%. So we're gonna turn it on. Right, we're gonna turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can see it's 80, and then it will be 3 zeros. So what this means is, this is a timer. So if you click, so there's a plus and minus here. There's a plus here and a minus here. So you're gonna click the plus. This means 0.1 second, and then you can go up to 200. So as you can see, it's 1.7. As you can see, it's 17, which means 1.7 seconds. But normally for 5-inch balloons, which is mostly used for deco bubble, you go up to 1.3 seconds, which is 5 inches max. So 1.3, 13 means 1.3, so it's 1.3 seconds. So for a regular latex balloon, roughly 11 inch, which is a standard size for latex balloon, you're gonna plus until it goes up to 95. So it's 9.5 seconds. So this is a regular latex balloon, and it's roughly 11 inches. And if you're using a 12-inch balloon, you can go up to 10.5. So it's 105, which is 10.5. So I'm gonna demonstrate using two sizes of balloons, which is 5-inch and 11-inch. So for your helium tank, you're gonna need to use a quick connector for your helium tank. So let me get the balloons and I'll show you guys how to use it. So here I have two sizes of balloons, which is 11-inch and 5 inches. So I've already set the device to 1.3 second, which is 13 right here. So we're gonna connect the device. Hold on, give me a sec. Alright, it's connected. So first, I'm gonna show you guys how to inflate the 5-inch balloon. So it's 1.3 seconds. So we're gonna turn on the helium tank. Alright, so what we're gonna do is you insert your balloon here, and then there's a button right here. Just gently press it. There we go. 5-inch balloon. Gonna tie it off. Alright, for a latex balloon, I'm gonna put it to 95. 95. So 95, you're gonna take your latex balloon, press it one time. There we go. There you go, a fully inflated balloon. As you can see, it stops when the gas has been flowing through the device for 9.5 seconds. So you have a fully inflated balloon. And fun fact for you guys, there is also a counter, which you can see. Because I've inflated two balloons, it counts as 2 right here. So for example, I'm gonna inflate it. It counts as 3. So it's like, the more you press, it also helps count the amount of balloons you've inflate. So that's a pretty good function. So this will be a really good device if you're inflating a huge number of balloons, for like weddings or birthday parties. And do not use this for foil balloons. As you can see, the pressure coming out of this thing, it's kind of powerful, so it will damage the valve of foil balloons. So yeah, if you want to know where I get this product, I'll put a link down in the comments below. So yeah, if you find this video useful, please give it a like and a share, and I'll see you guys next time.